This will be for the con assignment, simplify fractions. So what we want to do is divide the numerator and the denominator individually by the same number. So you want to choose a number that's you can divide the top and bottom. They have to both be divisible by the same number. All right, so we have 81 over 45, and I know that 81 and 45 are both divisible by 9. So I am going to divide by 9 in the numerator, and I'm going to divide by 9 in the denominator. Okay, you want to divide by the same number on the top and bottom. So 81 divided by 9 is just 9. 45 divided by 9 is just 5. And you enter this number in the box. Okay, in order to write a fraction, you can just use the slash. So I am going to type 9/5. Okay, here we have 80 divided by 16. And you don't always have to do the greatest common multiple on the first try. Okay, you can divide more than once. So I know that 80 and 16 are both even numbers. So I'm going to start by dividing by 2 on the top and the bottom. 80 divided by 2 is just 40. And 16 divided by 2 is just 8. Okay, now I can keep using even numbers if I want, but we know that 40 divided by 8 is just 5. So you just enter that in the box. I don't think you have to make it in the form of a fraction. Okay, here we have 60 divided by 48. All right. These are both divisible by 4. But let's say you didn't know that and you started by dividing by 2 because they're both even numbers. So we do the same thing on the top and bottom. 60 divided by 2 is 30. 48 divided by 2 is 24. Okay, now I can keep going with 2, but I know that 30 and 24 are both divisible by 6. So I do the same thing on the top and bottom, divided by 6. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Okay, and I can't reduce that any further. So in the box I just type 5/4. Okay, one more here. We have 15 over 45. And I know that these are both divisible by 5. Okay, and just a quick tip here. Whenever you have a number that ends in 5 or 0, that number is divisible by 5. So I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 45 divided by 5 is 9. Okay, so that's not fully reduced. I know that 3 and 9 are both divisible by 3. So I'm going to divide the top and bottom by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is just 3. One third is 1/3. All right, so if you can't get the simplest form on the first try, then just divide the numerator and denominator by the same number again until you get the fraction in its reduced or simplest form.